Ah, what a lovely week of sun, sea, sangria. Only joking, we've been bloody busy. Come and have a look. We have a wall, so we can't go through that way into the second house anymore. This will all be dug out for the patio area, and we've got to go down this very steep ramp into the house. There she is. There's the floor getting prepped ready for concrete on Monday. So we're going to put a thin layer of sand down. Obviously we've got to whacker plate that. Then we've got the insulation over there to put on the floor, which we'll carry that on tomorrow. Ballast there. We've also almost completed the window. And then we have the foundation in here, ready for the block wall that's going to separate the workshop into there. So as you can see, we're starting to put the bedroom, walking through into the lounge area. We've got the kitchen area here, and then the downstairs toilet and that. So that's for the person having the house. At the minute, it just wants one level sort of thing, but then in the future, we could have 2 bedrooms upstairs, even 4, because obviously, same as next door, it's 3 stories. And you can see it's bloody high. And we also have put the windows in above, so that obviously it's a lot more, you know, heat proof, waterproof sort of thing. So I will show you guys that. So yeah, windows are in. Obviously got to put the windows back in there. And then we have a front door that side and a front door this side, so that we've got 2 different entrances. Oh, and guess what? Because we really like to make loads and loads of mess, the previous video you saw us getting rid of it, it's back again. I honestly can't believe the amount of mess and rocks and hardcore that's come out. And you think that's only a couple of walls and a couple of openings. So yeah, so there's another week done. Cut to me showing you guys the polystyrene going down, the prepping. We're going to put expansion joints in, laser leveled in, so that when we start concreting, obviously it acts as an expansion joint, and also something for me to screed off, so we get a nice level finish, which then makes it easier for tiling, etc, etc. And we're ready for concrete on Monday. We have got, it's not a railway track, but we've got these expansion joints that we cement in. We put all them level, and then I can screed off of that, and we will have a lovely concrete floor. So I'll obviously film this concrete in it. Yeah, bad back time, here we go.